Hello students, welcome back to assignment 3.2. So to follow up on what we did previously, so now we are, instead of looking at multiplication or division of algebraic fractions, we are looking at addition and subtraction. So the key idea behind this is that when we have addition and subtraction of fractions, we try our best to actually make the denominator common. That will simplify things a lot. So let's take a look at these examples, right? So the first case, we have 4a over x minus 3y, and then we have 3a over 3x minus 9y. So if we were to look at this and we see we can make the denominator common, we can have 4a over x minus 3y. Right? I like to put that in brackets, it gives me some clarity. So here we have 3a over, 3x minus 3y, right? So from here, it simplifies into 4a over x minus 3y plus a over x minus 3y. Denominator is common, so we end up with 5a over x minus 3y. Right? Now, next example, same idea. Let's try to make the denominator common. So in this case, we have a situation where the denominator is actually 2m squared minus 1 squared minus 5 2m plus 1. So that will give us 3 2m plus 1 2m minus 1 minus 5 2m plus 1. So to make the denominator common, or the second term on the right, I need to multiply with 2m minus 1 to the numerator and denominator, right? So it will be 3 minus 5 multiplied by 2m minus 1. The common denominator now will be 2m plus 1, 2m minus 1. Expand it properly, we have 3 minus 10m plus 5 over, well, the denominator, I can write it back in this format, it's fine. Okay, so we'll end up with 8 minus 10m over 4m squared minus 1. Okay, right? Next example over here, similar idea. This time round, we have made the denominator common. So we will need to have 2n minus 2 plus 3 over n minus 2 squared. Right? This will give me 2n minus 4 plus 3 over n minus 2 squared. Simplify it to 2n minus 1 over n minus 2 squared. Okay, now here we have more interesting examples. Okay, so once again we try to make the denominator common as far as we can. So from here we have 4f, right? The denominator, if I take out common, it will be 5 2f minus d. On this side, the denominator, if I take out the 3, I will have 2f minus d. So to make it common, all I need to do is multiply 3 to my 4f plus multiply 5 to my 2d, and the denominator will be 15 2f minus d, right? So from here we simplify, it will be 12f plus 10d over 30f minus 15d. There we go. Okay, then we have two more examples. All right, let's take a look at this. So in this case, again, I can try to simplify this. We have 2p squared minus 4p minus 5 plus 2p over p minus 5. Factorizing, we have 2, then we have p subtract by 5, then we have p plus 1, right? Plus 2p over p minus 5. So what it means is that the term on the right, I need to multiply with 2, I need to multiply with p plus 1. So I end up with 1 plus 2p will multiply by 2, multiply by p plus 1. The denominator will be 2p minus 5 plus 1. Simplify 1 plus 4p square plus p square 4p, right? Okay. Over, okay, the denominator I can write it as the original form is fine, so 2p square minus 8p minus 10. Okay, if we want things to be neater, okay, we can always write the power in descending order. So we have this situation over 2p square minus 8p minus 10. Alright, okay, one more to go, right? So now this question they want us to solve. When it comes to solving question, same idea. If we make the denominator the same, whatever is left on the numerator will actually be equivalent, right? So in this case, I look at the denominator is 15, 3, 5, and 10, which means I can make the denominator into the LCM of these numbers, which is 30. So what I can do is I can go 2 times 7x minus 4 plus 10 times x minus 1. This is over 30, right? And over this side, to get 30, I need to multiply by 6. 3x minus 1 minus, then I need 3, 7 plus x over 30. So since the denominator is the same, the numerator is the same, we can compare it. So we have 14x minus 8 plus 10x minus 10 equals to 18x minus 6 minus 21 minus 3x. Simplify, we have 24x minus 18 equals to 15x minus 27. So we have 9x equals to negative 9. Right? It's my mental calculation working. You should use calculator, right? So x equals to negative 1. There we go. Right? So I hope you've been successful. Have a nice day.